Recording in progress. Hello, everyone. Here we are, Jana and Ben show, manifesting show, and we're going to talk all things manifesting. And Ben's going to ask me questions. I'm going to answer for Ben and you. So you can learn and get really some amazing fast results because manifesting is fun, easy, and effortless and instant. And if you don't follow these rules, well, you're just making it more difficult than it has to be. So, Ben, hello.
Hello.
I love doing this with you. Absolutely awesome. What do you want to ask me today? And guys, just for you to know, this is we just meet. I push the button, and I never know what Ben asks me. So, just that you know that this is spontaneous, fun show for everyone. So,
Yeah, so I watched your most recent YouTube video a couple of days ago, Jana, and you were talking about having this supreme self-confidence, which is obviously necessary for manifesting what you want. The question is, what's the best way to maintain that supreme self-confidence in the face of adversity? Because it happens for everyone, it happens for me. And I see a lot of people talking about affirmations and mantras. And what are your thoughts on maintaining it when times get difficult?
okay, I wouldn't do that. What I do is far more practical usually than just these nothing meaning things you saw on TikTok or Instagram.
Yeah,
Try to try to make it right for yourself. Mine is, well, this was a big task I was supposed to do, but I conquered it, and I'm noticing I'm good. I did
mm,
this.
mm,
Wow. So no fear, so I can do better next time. I conquered it. Well done.
yeah.
And like, I can do this shit. And then I think of anyone I know who can do this shit. I usually find no. And I'm like, you're really good. Well, you know the saying, you don't do it yourself, no one's gonna do it for you. So
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah,
I don't like bragging, but there's a difference between bragging, like putting it in your face so you're envious. That's not what I do, but I'm all up for well done, well
yeah,
deserved. You worked hard for that. I appreciate that. So keep doing that. So basically, what I'm saying is you need to keep noticing when you do something right
yeah, yeah,
and say, well done. I'll just improve on that, but well done. I'm actually really good.
yeah,
And when you keep doing that, and it happens several times a week, don't tell me that in 3 weeks or 3 months at worst, you're not going to feel like you're on top of the world.
yeah,
Mm.
yeah,
And actually, when I just talked to the client before we met, I said, look for the situations when you can prove yourself. Don't be just passive and wait for something to happen, but you need to learn how to stand up. Well, if you're in a supermarket and someone walks into you, stand up for yourself. Take that opportunity to learn how to do it. Don't let it slide. Say,
yeah,
excuse me, you ran into me, you didn't say sorry. Do you think that that's okay? Because I don't.
mm,
You know,
yeah,
whatever you need to conquer, make sure. Or another one is, I say you need to make decisions super fast because you want instant results. You need to behave instantly. Um, go to a store and choose and go buy chicken, and there's 10 of them, and you pick the one you want and give yourself 1 second to do it.
yeah,
Learn how to make fast decisions. And it's like, I did it. I'm good. I can do this. When else can I make a right decision in a 1 second?
mm, yeah,
And when you keep doing this and conquering your own shit, of course you will get, it's not going to be difficult to get really extremely self-confident,
yeah, yeah.
but
It
it's a
becomes a
practice
habit.
game.
Yeah,
And especially when you do something you have never done before on a scale you have never done it, but like, wow, that was a toughie. That was
yeah.
Bruce Willis level. I'm good.
Yeah, yeah. It's important to celebrate it.
Yeah. And notice it because
Yeah,
when you go through life without noticing what you've done well and what you haven't done well and what you need to improve, what are you doing? You're never gonna improve anything.
no,
You're never gonna know that you're good at something. You're never gonna know you're suck at something and fix it consciously.
yeah,
What are you doing? You need to notice things. That's what they call living in the know. That means noticing what the hell you're doing.
Yeah.
So does that make sense? Does that answer your question?
It does. It does. Yeah. Yeah.
Excellent. Anything else? What do you want to ask me today?
Um, yeah. So something else a bit sort of off topic from that. For me, when I'm manifesting, I'm at my best and I'm manifesting. I find that I get presented with opportunities and I take what feels like inspired action, and everything flows and everything's very easy. The question is, how do you tell the difference between what is inspired action and what's wishful thinking? And a follow-on question from that is there even a difference between inspired action and wishful thinking?
That's a good one. No one ever asked me that. I'll try to put my brain together to answer.
That's
That's a good
the fun
one.
of doing it
Mm,
live.
yeah, yeah, yeah. In inspired action is a download. It comes to you out of nowhere.
Yeah.
While wishful thinking is you need to be thinking about it prior.
Mhm.
That's the
Okay.
difference.
Yeah.
So inspired action is like I'm having my coffee and I'm like, yeah, I have a client in 5. Yeah, go and do this. Call Peter. Like, what? Oh, okay. I'll call Peter because I trust you, so I'll call Peter. Oh, and he's got a client for me, or he wants me to have a speech
Yeah.
in front of 200 people. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's inspired action. While wishful thinking is like, I wish this would be nice if it happened. No, 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 no. That's not inspired action. That
Mm.
is you wanting something happening and probably happening in this particular way.
Yeah.
So they're
Yeah.
not the same. Makes sense?
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah.
So one is a desire, which you should just put together. It's like I want a car. I don't want it to get it this way because that's interfering with universe.
Yeah.
You never say how, that's prohibited
Yeah.
in manifesting language. But you say, I want a new car, and that's a desire. But getting download, go to Mercedes now, that's a download. That's
That's
inspired
inspired
action.
action. Yeah. Yeah. So following on from that, why do you think that forgetting about something creates more momentum than focus or holding the vibration of it?
Because I've tried it, and first of all, I don't have time and the energy and always be onto something. It exhausts me.
Yeah, I've found that.
It's horrible.
Yeah, burns you out very quickly.
Burns me out very quickly. I mean, very quickly at the
Yeah,
speed of light.
yeah,
And then no, just no. Too much stress, too much pressure. I got shit to do. So, universe, take this, your stress, leave me alone. Okay. I don't want to
yeah,
fucking hear about it. Leave it out, leave it away from me. Keep it away from me.
yeah,
And and that's when it gets delivered really fast, also because you're saying, what are you saying? You're saying, I trust you. You're far better at it than me. I know you're gonna do it, and I'm not interfering.
yeah,
Hence the Chinese restaurant. Have you done the rolls yet? 30 seconds later. Are you frying the meat? 30 seconds later. Are the noodles ready? 30 seconds. Do you know how to find my house?
yeah,
No. You would get banned from the Chinese and the universe when you do that. The universe like, you know what? Bye-bye.
yeah, yeah,
No one can deal with that amount of pressure and interruption. So you
mm,
completely forgetting about it is like, I trust you, I trust me, I'm fine, I'm not desperate, and I'm not interfering because I know you're busy out there getting me exactly what I want. So all good. That's the way to get it.
yeah, yeah.
Make sense?
It does. It does. Yeah. It's. I've spoken to people about it in the past week since we had our last conversation,
Yeah, yeah.
and they say, "Okay, yeah, I see what you mean about forgetting about it, but sometimes that's easier said than done because I feel emotionally invested, so my mind keeps going back there without me necessarily wanting it to. It just wanders back to whatever it is that I want because I'm emotionally invested."
I get that. I get that. But, then success is not for people without a will. Yeah, you need
Yeah.
to show some will. And the way I went about it, and I think I conquered it pretty well, but that doesn't mean that I conquered 100%. There may be 0.1% missing. But what did I do? I said, so hang on. I like to apply logic and be practical.
Yeah. Yeah.
So hang on. When you do think about it, you just prove to yourself that you will not manifest it. When you don't think about it, you definitely manifest it and you manifest it super fast. So manifesting is based on self-love. So
Yeah.
if I do think about it, I'm basically saying I don't love myself because I already know that if I do that, I'm not getting what I want, which is self-hate, self-loathing.
Yeah.
Why would I do that? I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not
You
doing
don't
it.
trust yourself, do you?
Because universe will see that I don't like myself and I'm not gonna get it. So no, I'm getting it, hence I'm forgetting it. And no, not gonna happen. End
Yeah.
of.
Yeah.
And you just keep repeating this every time it happens until one day it's like you turn the corner like, I don't care. I don't need to
Yeah.
think about anything. Just
Yeah.
leave
Yeah.
me alone.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, last week I played a game with the universe, like show me a sign because you're driving and you're bored out of your mind, right?
Yeah.
And you're like, show me a sign. And I was driving back and it just kept popping out a green car every 200 meters. I was like, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. I'm getting the signs I ask for. I'm bored. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it just, you know, it's coming, you know, it's happening, but there are rules to it and you have to obey them. If you don't obey them, you're not going to manifest. It's as easy as that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you either do the right thing and you will get your manifestation, or you won't and you won't do the right thing and you won't get it.
Yeah.
So your
Yeah.
job is to convince yourself, I love myself. So I've I've suffered so much in my life that I'm not allowing any more suffering,
Yeah.
which means that I will forget it because I want to be happy and get what I want.
Yeah.
And the universe says, wow, there you go. And sends you a Prezi instantly.
Yeah.
If it doesn't send you exactly what you want, it'll send you birds before landing or
Yeah.
partial manifestation as a Prezi for having a good attitude.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's worth it, isn't it? So
It is. Yeah.
it may not send you the 100 trillion you ask for, but it will send you, oh, here's $100 you found in the park.
Yeah. Yeah. Or it'll send you an opportunity.
Opportunity or someone being nice to you or free coffee or whatever.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
or someone coming back to you and saying, sorry, I really screwed up. I shouldn't have done that and I never will again, or whatever. It'll send you a Prezi instantly, but usually it'll send you a Prezi around the subject you're manifesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're asking for money, it'll make sure that you won, or you find money on the street, or you look at bank account and there's more than it should have been, and you're like, well, how is that possible? Wow, money out of nowhere. Wow.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just worth doing, but you have to overcome yourself.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
And every time I see someone's comment, yeah, but it's not easy, is it? You cannot forget about something you really want. It's like, well, I did,
Yeah.
but I then didn't practice BMW. I didn't
Yeah. Yeah.
bitch, moan, and
Yeah.
whine about it, did
Yeah.
I?
Yeah. No, you're right. You do. You have to. Yeah. You have to force yourself to forget about it. If you want it badly enough,
Yeah,
you will. You'll find a way.
yeah, exactly. And if you know, if you're just, it would be nice, well, then, good luck. But that's not
Yeah.
how manifesting works. So you have
Yeah.
to comply with the rules.
Yeah.
It's like, Um, when you go skiing, there's rules how to get up the hill, or you get banned, or if you go to a shop and you don't do the right things, they'll ban you. You
Yeah.
know the rules, so you follow them. I'm not always saying that all the rules in the world are awesome. That's not what I'm saying. But the basic rules, you know them, you obey them, you're fine. You don't obey them, well, don't wonder
Yeah.
that you're getting in troubles.
Yeah.
Right? I think it's logical. So everyone should understand this.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That was it.
That was it for today.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Ben.
Oh, thank
Guys,
you.
in the description of the video is Manifesting HQ when me and Ben are present. That's a membership site where I teach daily how to manifest so we can really speed up your results. The link is in the description of the video, and we'll see you next week as usual. Have fun. Thanks, Ben. See
Thank
you
you.
soon. Bye bye.
Bye.